develop the school. So if the fees are not coming, things will be difficult for us. So we are appealing to parents to help us in developing Nkoranza Technical Institute.
The vision of the school is to provide quality technical and vocational education as well as skill delivery to meet Ghana's socio-economic development needs. And with that, we are trying our possible best to make sure our students come out well prepared. When we get to the mission, we want to provide the youth as well as even adults with employable and income generating skills.
I believe in teamwork. So I see Nkoranza Technical Institute as a team, which of course the principal is the manager of the team. So I will entreat all and sundry, especially the staff, for all of us pulling our resources together and also helping our students in order to achieve their aim at the end of the day. They don't become a burden to the society.
And NTI has a philosophy. Our motto is Inchilimanuity. We live not for ourselves only, but for posterity. We have some of the students who are even now being employed for the woodwork industries in the locality, and some are also outside. Besides that, we get to Ghana North, we have our mechanical students there. Some of the auto students are also into some of these areas. For the building technology students, the least said about them, the better. They have come together to form some subcontractors or cooperatives. So now they can take a whole building. They will make everything, setting out, taking off, whatever. Before you are aware, the building is there. Our students say, and they are working all over in town. So the school has given at least an impact in the community. You take Malaysia, Singapore, even Japan, all over. It's the technical education that has brought them where they are now. Except that in Ghana, we keep on paying lip service. Both the government and even the populace. We say technical education is the backbone, but how to make it a reality is our problem.
Our appeal to all stakeholders, all people who have something to do with education in the country, to be interested first in technical education, as I've already stated, and then particularly in the Nkoranza Technical Institute.
Abai omo ne ho modern na dwumadi a wode baaye no oma enka hwa ontu ho anamompa emfa mayen esese akyekirefo ne nkwala na ewo school ma no so modern bia wo mo bo na so se aban so wanyire ho amoyen a yenkwa ade so an yetime nso a ti mesre aban ene Ghana Education Service mpanimfo nyina se monso muntwa moni na momfa mahwe e school na enye krabahwe emfa mayen ewo bunuma mu ha edamase.
And I will take this opportunity to thank those who related the idea, carving the Nkoranza Technical Institute from the SECTEC. You have to mention the chief and the elders. Now, Katechi Adman Kodom the fourth, the current Omanhene of the Nkoranza Traditional Council, and the forefathers who gave a very large plot of land to the trained college, now the Nkoranza Technical Institute and the Nkoranza Senior High Technical. We thank them. We thank the government officials, the ministry, those who contributed immensely so that we have this school taking off. The officers in education, if you want to mention names, the politicians, both past and present, they have done very well to make this school what it is today. And maybe last but not the least, my very supportive staff, my vice principal academic and administration, my right hand men, they have been very supportive, as well as the teachers. I will continue to encourage our parents to keep on bringing their awards, both current and future parents who will join our PT. They should bring their awards. NTA has a future, and the way it is, come one day, if you don't come early, you will miss your point. You miss your chance. So they should continue to bring their awards. We are prepared to prepare and train them for the world of work and even for progression.
Air Force on parade. We are asking your permission for your honor, sir.
Calapate, forward, march. Calapate, back time, back time. Calapate, let's go, let's go, let's go. Calapate, forward, march. Calapate, hot.
Officers in camp, salute. Your Honor, we have your permission to inspect the squad, sir. Permission granted.
Sir,
present the flag, sir.
Calapate, quick march.
In review order. Quick. March.
Asampayetia Obanyansa fuso wo bunubia wonka na asam Ze mafutu sam kakre wa supreme Yo kofi Oman ya woman Omani ya memana Yenyi baby ako Wacha zaza ya warenyi Wonsom wanyinyi pa Nasa